TD stock analysis. Where is it going next? I'm showing you my price predictions in 1 minute video, so watch it till the end. With Toronto Dominion Bank, the Toronto Dominion Bank, we're sitting at 54 bucks and 67 cents. It's like 6% down for the day, which is quite a bit if you ask me. But looking at it, this is how my chart looks like. So before again, to give you context about me, I'm using my strategy and system that's previously given me thousands of wins in 2023. And I'm telling you all of that because everything has been documented and tracked on my YouTube channel. So you can all check it out. And by the way, I have nothing to sell you, so I'm sharing all my knowledge over the last 4 years for free. With TD, this is just fluff, this is just a consolidation that we've been in for 2 years, excuse me. So the only way that I was really going to take this thing higher is if the price starts going above 59-60 bucks and there's a double break above that point, and I'm not interested about anything, any other of the prices except that, because it's pretty much just taking like a lot of your brain power to try and focus on something that really does not want to do and go up, so I would just try to focus on other thicker symbols, put alerts here and just chill, so that's the way that I'm approaching it. It's not financial advice. What people are selling for 500, 300 bucks I made for free, so check the first link in the description, absolutely free.